Hi, welcome to Schmiedmann. Today I want to show you two of our kidney grill sets. These ones are for the BMW G30 5 Series models, but we can deliver kidneys for pretty much every single BMW model. The first one that I want to show you is our single spoke kidney grill set. This one is in Highgloss black, but we can also deliver it in matte black. We just got a large container of kidneys, so we are selling these at a very low price, which you can benefit from. You can buy them on our website, schmiedmann.com. These kidneys come in a set of both left and right kidney in one package. The second one that I want to show you is also for a G30. These are double spoke kidney grills. They are also in Highgloss black, but just like the other ones, we can deliver them in matte black. You can find these grills and many more on our website. We have kidney grills for pretty much every single BMW model.